Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can change mobile number on WhatsApp. So you can replace new number with the older one. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp and on top right corner you can see three dots. Click on it. Here you can see settings option. In settings on top you can see account option. So click on change number. So changing your phone number will migrate your account info and groups and settings. It means that all your data will be transferred on new number. Then click on next button. So now I will type my old number and then new number. So I will type a dummy number. Then click on next. So here you can see notify contacts option. It means WhatsApp will send a notification to your contacts that this person changed the phone number. So if you want to send notification to your friends, then enable this option. Then click done. So in this way you can change your phone number on WhatsApp. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. Thanks for watching.